Welcome to DJ MTV.
I correct people, greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJ MTV. My people. Wike will be FCT minister, landlord of FCT. He don't do open confession like this, so don't be swore, my people. According to what he talk this time around, he talk say the reason will be say media no dey carry news up and down again, because when I notice for some time now, we only see Wike news again where they talk and he said that because he dey patronize them, he dey salt them. Now our eyes come say, if you dey patronize other media houses, you never patronize them. Wetin you dey wait for wey be say never come patronize them. Anyway, people go leave una watch this video for my eyes. Mona here dey analyze this whole matter concerning wetin Wike talk for this open confession. So Mona watch and make una no forget to like and share. Watch the video.
Capital Territory Abuja, Yesom Wike, during a press conference, thanked all media houses for not reporting any negative stories about him. The minister stated that the reason why the media is no longer reporting negatively about him is because he had been patronizing the media, and that those who are yet to receive his patronage, like our sister publication this day, should go into fasting and prayers. Let's take a listen.
Thank the press for your reporting. I have not found any negative reporting these days. Probably because most of your media houses are publishing adverts, money and the rest of it is coming. So most of them are happy that their media houses, those who have not gotten, you have to go for fasting, and that more things should come out so we can patronize all the media houses. But frankly speaking, I want to thank you for the support you've given to this session. Once more, thank you, and God bless all of you.
Governor, I still call him Governor. Minister Wike, I know that we have not gotten any ads from Governor Wike. I mean, are you talking to us, Dr. Abati?
Well, I noticed that at that event,
yes,
Minister Wike was showing appreciation, yes, to the media for their support. And then he thought he should just rub it in that he has been patronizing the media. Well, media houses depend heavily on advert revenue.
Yes, sir.
And so what he's saying is that as federal minister, he's discriminating against certain media houses.
Yes, well, we can't see any arise.
You've identified at least one.
Yeah.
But I think as minister of the Federal Republic, yeah, it should be fair to all parties concerned.
Absolutely.
It should be, fair-minded. Yeah. He should not use his office as a tool of discrimination or subtle blackmail, because there's some subtle blackmail there, yes, saying that some people have been patronized by his office. And yes, recently, adverts running into about 100 pages in some of inserts running into pages upon pages in some newspapers. So those newspapers made a lot of money, and then he's using his office to cut a deal, to blackmail. That's not fair. Right. As a federal minister, you should have an open mind.
Yes.
And in any case, media planning is not on the basis of your personal emotions or ego. It's on the basis of, where your material can receive the best attention. That should be the priority, not personal things. But in any case, if it says people should go and fast and pray, well, I don't know. What if there are people, some organizations don't believe in fasting and prayers, since these media houses are not religious organizations anyway.
Right.
You should avoid that sort of blackmail. You should be fair to all.
Absolutely.
And if indeed he has not given this day and Arise News, he should give us advert.
We're going to fasting and prayers.
It's a quid pro quo.
Yes.
It's not as if you are doing these media houses any favor.
No.
They help you to publicize your material. That is important to your ministry.
Absolutely.
So don't use it to play games.
Is it the brown paper journalists that they always talk about?
Ojinika, I think, we have a pastor here. Maybe we'll delegate you to start fasting and praying.
You're correct. Anybody that's not giving a Rise TV advert now must be probably joking. As we speak today, Oji,
yes,
for a daily program,
yes,
we are hitting 10,000 views.
You see? Rufai always goes to the facts.
This empirical fact.
All right. Well, all right.
You said the other person hitting that number as we speak in this country.
Allow me to take my final story now.
Go ahead.
Pastor Ayo.
Fasting and prayers. Well, all right. We'll take our
DJ